Getting Connected is about us as a large construction company really trying to get down to the local supply chain.
So the aspirations for this event are to get to know the sort of supply chain that Morgan Sindall work with, not only helping individuals but also helping businesses.
This event's really important to link Morgan Sindall, who are the main contractor on the first two developments of the office buildings in Birkenhead, with local businesses and also local job seekers who will be able to benefit from the regeneration.
It's really important to have early engagement. This gives us an opportunity to embed ourselves in the community, make sure that we learn who we should be working with, making sure that local people are aware of what opportunities are there for the pipeline of work ahead of us. So we've taken the idea of a meet the buyer, the traditional meet the buyer, and we've taken it a step back to integrate into our procurement.
It's important that we obviously engage with smaller companies than ourselves, or the people that we normally deal with, to get them engaged with working on the jobs that we deal with. So people who are self-employed, people who obviously are much smaller than the businesses we normally deal with. It's about them getting engaged with the people we deal with, and there's been a good turnout today from our subcontractors to help us with that.
It's great that we've had the opportunity to have this event before the actual development starts, so we can make those early engagement with local supply chains, local businesses, local job seekers who will be able to benefit from the development.
Today was really good for us. It's our first event in Birkenhead. It's allowed us to get a bit of a footing with the community, work out some of the people involved in the local community. I met a guy called Mike. So Mike came through the door and he did a degree in the built environment a couple of years ago, and he's been looking for work ever since.
I'm on university credit. I was sent a journal message to say this event was happening today, and it would be maybe advisable to turn up and see what's available locally in Wirral.
We've given him contacts for some of the technical material suppliers that we use, and also some of the professional contacts, the landscape architect, for example.
We're trying to promote the construction industry. You know, the construction industry is going to suffer a huge skills shortage. You know, it's well documented, and we have our part to play in trying to encourage people back into the industry.
It's important that we obviously engage with the local community to get them engaged with working on the jobs that we deal with.
It's really important for the council, as part of our role in Wirral Growth Company, that the physical regeneration in Birkenhead also has social regeneration as well.
Everything that we're doing now with the Getting Connected event and all of the rest of the social value going forward is going to leave a positive legacy and have a real impact on the local area.